All right, quick video on loading the Kodak M35 camera, which is a simple reusable plastic camera. You just want to pop that button open on the side there, have your film ready. You're going to, so this is our little spooling thing, but you hit that button on the side and that lifts it to get the little grabber out of the way. You put your film in just like so, put it back down, and then this is a super simple camera to load. There are these little teeth on that feed, they grab onto the sprockets. There's no like slit you have to put your film into. You simply line it up with the sprockets and give it a little bit of a turn and make sure it's in there nice and tight, and close it up. Take a picture, you hit that button on the top, boop, and there you go.